SmoothSkin Muse IPL hair removal system is smart and powerful, just like you. Which means you get the most effective treatment in the easiest way, in the comfort of your own home. Before using SmoothSkin Muse, prepare the area to be treated by making sure it's hair-free, making sure to remove all visible hair prior to every treatment. For best results, we recommend shaving, but you can also wax or epilate. Then, make sure the skin is clean and dry. Any hairs remaining above the surface of the skin may damage the front of your device. When the area is prepped, switch on the device and press the power button. The button will illuminate white, indicating the device is ready to flash. Press the handset firmly against the area to be treated. Press the activation button. The device will flash and you will feel a warm sensation. Move the handset to the next area to be treated and go again. Move the device in a steady motion to ensure you don't miss any bits.